Hi, Mike Collinson here again. Today I'm going to have a go at making some wine. I haven't done this for many years, so I'm going to start off with a kit which has got a concentrated grape juice rather than starting with fresh fruit. Wrong time of the year for that really, but in the summer I hope to do some blackberry and some stuff that I could just pick up, elderflowers that I can pick up from the hedgerows. But anyway, I've got together the kit that I need. I've got a couple of these 25 litre buckets. I've got a funnel here. I've got a measuring jug. Just one little small point in this kit. It would have been nice if they'd have measured put a measurement on the side of the bucket, telling you how many litres, so you didn't have to measure it singularly, but it's just a small thing. There's a airlock which goes into the top of this bucket, which tells you whether the fermentation is finished. A siphon to get the wine out so that we don't get all the sediment. We've got a little temperature gauge which fits on the side of here to keep the temperature right, and a hydrometer, and this tests the actual gravity of the alcohol. So here we go. I'll make a start and make some wine. The kit I bought is Solomon Grundy, which is quite a well-known make, and it has, as you can see, a full container of grape juice, and it comes with various packets. We've got some yeast to get it going. This is a stabilizer and some finings, which is going to clear all the rubbish out of the wine when it's finished. It also comes with some sterilising. It's most important to sterilise everything after it's been used before you make fresh wine. So here goes. I'm now about to make some wine. Solomon Grundy kit I'm using. I'm using the Platinum range. They come in 3 different ranges. This is the better one of the 3. One of the added advantages is there's no extra sugar to add, so everything that's in here is all I need. These are the packets I've got here. That's everything I need. It comes complete with all instructions, and it says that it should be ready after 7 days. I can't really believe that, but we'll see what happens. And it will get a lot better after 1 or 2 months. So here goes. Right, the first thing to do is to put the 5 litres of concentrate in the bucket. And now we add the rest to fill this up to 23 litres. I'm using the same container so I don't waste any of the concentrate. Before I go any farther, we need to take a hydrometer reading. Doing this by filling up a tube with the liquid, and we then put the hydrometer inside the tube, and take the reading where it's this hydrometer floats in the liquid, and at the level on the surface you take the reading. In this case, although you can't see it here, it's showing a reading of 1070. We need this later on when the wine is fermented. I'm going to pour back the excess liquid now into the bucket, and the next job will be to put the yeast in. Now we have all the water mixed in with the grape juice and well mixed up. It's time to add the yeast to the top. It's important at this moment to make sure that the temperature is between 20 and 25 degrees, otherwise the yeast won't activate. And this particular one, all we're doing is just sprinkle this on the top of the liquid, but we're not mixing it in, we're just leaving it onto the top. Like this. Now we have to put the lid back on. Make sure it's well sealed all the way around. And next we have to put the airlock in position. This just fits into the top here. We now have to leave this for about 5 days until the fermentation is complete. When the bubbles stop coming up through, which will start in about 24 hours, we'll check it again with the hydrometer. We have to make sure it's beneath 1000, and then we can carry on to the next stage. In the meantime, I need to put this somewhere warm and keep between 20 and 25 degrees centigrade. I'm very lucky in that I've got underfloor heating, so I'm just going to leave it on the floor in the corner of the room, and hopefully in 5 or 6 days time this will all be ready for the next stage. Before I finish off this video, I thought I'd give a quick update after 3 days. It started off very vigorous fermentation, and as you can see, it's now settled down a bit. I shall be making another video shortly showing how to add the finings and the stabilizer and then the bottling, so come back and see this in a few days time. If you have enjoyed this video, please think about subscribing, and if you give us a thumbs up, that would be most appreciated. That's it for now, and goodbye.